Greetings from Cyprus and the beach called Armyropigado that's located near the city of Paralimni. And yes, I'm continuing with my Cyprus exploration, and this is the third different beach I visit today, so make sure to check out the rest of my Cyprus videos. It is exactly 12:00, exactly noon right now, and I'm gonna check out the water over here. But I was actually previously in the beach called Paralimni, 500 meters away from here, and there the water was 30 degrees Celsius, so super warm and nice. So yes, and let's start off with the facts about Cyprus that I'm sharing you with all of my Cyprus videos. And the fact for today is that the national animal of Cyprus is the Cyprus mouflon, which is a type of sheep, and it is only that so the Cyprus sheep, the Cyprus mouflon, is only resides on this island and cannot be found anywhere else in the world. And its nature habitat is in the Mount Olympus, or also known as Mount Troodos, that peaks up to 1,952 meters above sea level. So yeah, and yes, that sheep is the largest mammal on the island you can find. And now let's get ready for the swim. So now I'm at the very end of the beach because I want to be able to film in peace and quiet. And this beach is a lot more crowded compared to the Paralimni, where there was no one there. And here it is sandy entrance, as you have seen, despite having these nice rocks over here to chill. Yes, the beach is called Armyropigado, and you can rent sunbed over here. And this is a nice boat also over here. And look at the color of the water, it's amazing. And I see some small fish over here. Maybe I can also snorkel later around the coast over there. Alright, then let's get in right now! It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, chilling here on this beach, Armyropigado, and I'm gonna be walking then along the coast and explore some more beaches to present to you on my channel. This is day 6 of my Cyprus vacation, so the last day before I head back to my home in Stockholm, Sweden, where I'm gonna continue the beach adventures by exploring the beautiful Swedish beaches and nature. Because I heard that September is gonna be a very warm month for Sweden. That means around 20 degrees Celsius, so not like this warm, but still. Alright, that's a wrap from Armyropigado beach here in Cyprus, and don't forget to tune in for more fantastic beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!